Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today I'm going to make a holiday treat. This is a great little gift to give away. It's great to have in your house for when you have company over. Gingersnap cookie butter. Ugh, it's so good. And simple. Everything goes into your food processor. You can also use a blender, but you would just have to do smaller batches. So here are the ingredients. I have these little store-bought Gingersnap cookies. Now you can use homemade cookies, but these are really, very crisp and crunchy, so I'm going with that. These are 60 cookies, that's 13 ounces or 368 grams. And to that, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, that's just a light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, that's 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, and then you just buzz this up until this becomes a very fine little crumb. So I'm going to take this for a whirl, and there's only one more ingredient. Okay, this is about the crumb that you want. It's very fine. All of these dry ingredients are incorporated. Now the only other thing to go in is, and I'm going to say about, because this is something that is really just a personal choice. How thick do you want this cookie butter? I'm going to go with 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. I don't know that I'll use the whole thing. So here we go. You have to taste for quality control. What you can do with this is put it in a little mason jar. I've taken the lid apart. I put a little wrapping paper on this inside lid. Of course, you all know how to do this. And then I have these little bows that go around, and you can bring this as a gift to someone. It's such a nice thing to get. These warm spices are perfect for this time of year. You can put this on pancakes, waffles, oatmeal. Put it with ice cream, vanilla ice cream. It's delicious. By the way, this can go in the fridge. That's where you would store this. Keep it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, and just have it come down or back up to room temperature before you use it so that it softens up again. And that's it. Very simple, quick, easy, fabulous little gift to give to someone. So happy holidays, and I have more stuff coming up, so come on back for more stuff. Bye guys.